Yeah, in this video today, I'm going to show you how to enable Fortnite 2FA or Epic Games 2FA. If you play the Epic Games on your Xbox or your PlayStation, or you can enable your second layer authentication, in which you'll be asked or you'll be required to enter a 6-digit code for you to be able to access the game. So this will be able to prevent unauthorized access or hacker from using your account password to hacking your Fortnite game. So in this scenario, we're going to be going through the Epic Game official website, or in other way, you can just go to Fortnite.com/2FA and hit the enter button. Fortnite.com. Excuse me. So and hit the enter button. So and you will be redirected to Epic Games login page. Here on this page, you have series of options to log in. So you can log into Epic Game using your email, your Facebook, your Xbox Live account, your Play Store, your Nintendo, with Steam, and even with your Apple ID. So in this case, I'm going to log in into my Epic Game account using my Epic Games username and password. So to get started, just follow this procedure, and this should be done in less than uh, 5 or 3 minutes. So you need to enter your username and password. So that's my username and password. So I've already stored my username and password on my phone. So I am doing this on Android. So the same procedure to enable 2FA on Fortnite on Android is similar to the same procedure to enable it on your PC or your computer. So you need to click on the login now. So Epic Game will try to confirm your username and password, whether it is correct, and instantly you'll be taken to where you need to change your password and all that. But we are not interested in changing password, so we just want to enable 2FA on this account. So if you click on the hamburger to the top right, you see options like store, news, frequently asked questions, help, and Unreal Engine. So we are interested in the 2FA, so you need to scroll down until you see two-factor authentication. Here you have three options. The first option to authenticate your Fortnite game is using the Authenticator app, and the second option is using the XMS authentication, while the third option is email authentication. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to enable the 2FA on your Fortnite account using both SMS and email. So now, the first thing we're going to do now is, while on the authenticator screen, so you need to click on SMS, the enable button. Now, then a pop-up will appear asking you to enter your phone number. So make sure you select your country code. Meanwhile, automatically Fortnite will select your country code the moment you click on SMS authentication factor. So you need to enter your mobile number. Now tap on send code for Fortnite to send you the authentication code or verification code for the first time. As you can see, I have a message from Fortnite. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy this code, three 9708. That's the code, 39708. Then I'll tap on activate. Can you see? Now it says SMS authentication enable. This means that the 2FA authentication on my Fortnite or Epic Game account has been enabled, and this will be enabled across all platforms, including Xbox, PS4, Switch, and the rest of them. So now you click on done. You can see this is made as my primary Fortnite.2FA authentication process. So the next thing we need to do is let's consider how to set up email authentication for your Fortnite or Epic Game Launcher. So click on email. Now, remember you had, or during your registration, you added a particular email account. So what you're going to do is, the moment you click on enable email authentication, Fortnite will send a code to your email. So let's go to incognito mode and see. Now, so I'm going to log into that email. Love Crown. Then let us see. Let me tap not now. Now, so this might take a couple of seconds, but we'll have to wait until it opens. Now we need to use the web version. Now, within my message, you see Epic Game authentication code. You can see 0 minutes. That is the two-factor authentication code to be used on email. So I need to copy this code. You can just highlight the code, copy it, then come back to this page, then enter the verification code and tap continue. Now email authentication enable, then hit the done button. That shows both SMS and email 2FA on my Fortnite account or Epic Game Launcher account has been enabled. Now you can now switch between the two. Which one to be used as your primary authentication factor or authentication process or means. So you can choose either SMS or email. But if I were you, I will go with the one I often have access to. So if you're always to your mobile phone all the time, then you can choose to use SMS authentication as your Fortnite 2FA. So whenever you want to log into your Fortnite account or want to access Fortnite on your PS4, on your Xbox or on your Switch, this verification code or authentication code will be sent to your phone via SMS message. And if you choose to go with email authentication, each and every time you want to log into your Fortnite or Epic Game Launcher on your consoles, the verification code or authentication code will be sent to your email. So it depends. However, if you choose to go with Authenticator app, this means you have to download the 2FA, the Fortnite 2FA Authenticator app on your phone and use it to generate your authentication code each and every time you want to access your account. So I believe this tutorial has helped you to enable fortnite.com/2FA on your PS4, X-Game console, Switch, and many other devices using either your email or Apple ID and the rest of them. Please, if you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly hit the like buttons and leave a message if there is any area of this tutorial you want us to improve on. And for more videos like this, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for our next update. Thank you.